As an essential business, we are open during this time of need. Cox Door Company has implemented a coronavirus COVID-19 safe, secure protection best practices effective immediately for all of our staff. For all your residential and commercial needs, our technicians are required to frequently wash their hands and use sanitizers. In order to limit the potential spread of a virus, we have asked all technicians to refrain from shaking hands with our customers and to maintain a respectful distance. Cox Door Company is ready, prepared, and taking the necessary measures. Most importantly, all of our employees stay home if they're showing any signs of cold or flu symptoms. Our goal is to successfully fix your garage door and commercial door needs as it's always been for more than 40 years. As an essential business, it's critical to your safety and security that your garage doors, be it commercial or residential, are maintained and in working order around the clock, and we are here to help.